In the Learning Path 1, Lab 1 Exercise 1, we are going to initialize our Microsoft 365 tenant. So to log in is similar with the logging into your DC1. So you just go to the Resources tab and log in, okay, using the credentials that has been provided in the Resources tab. Now, while waiting for it to log in, read the scenario which is you're working for this Adatum Corporations, which is a subsidiary of Contoso Electronic. The adatum.com have a legacy applications in, for example, Microsoft Exchange Server 2019 that is still hosted on premises. So in the recent environment, the company actually subscribed to Microsoft 365 and plan to create the hybrid deployment. So as Adatum's Microsoft 365 administrator, you have been tasked with deploying Microsoft 365 hybrid environment using our virtual machines that has been provided by the lab. Now, before we start, make sure you log in to admin website. So there are several ways to log in to admin website. Either you go to office.com, login, and then on the left hand side you will see the admin button, or you can just go straight to admin.microsoft.com. Now under resources tab again, so this is Copilot, can be very useful in the near future. Okay, so but for now we are going to hide this Copilot first. I'll put the user ID and password for the Microsoft 365 tenant. Remember, this is different from logging into your virtual machine. I'll put the password, sign in, got it, yes. Okay, so once you log in, we are going to update our Adatum's Microsoft 365 organizational profile, and we are going to prepare the tenant for our Microsoft Azure Active Directory, which already been renamed to Entra ID. So notice on the left hand side, in this admin center, you can go to different admin website other than Microsoft 365. These are the shortcuts. Now, each of us has been provided with the user ID and password and tenant prefix. If you go to the resources tab, you notice that this is your administrator username and this is your whatever the admin password, and you notice there is a tenant name. Okay, the tenant name, you can find it at the back of your username as well after the @ So this is the tenant. Your tenant might be different from mine because in this lab environment, each of us might be provided with different domain in the lab environment. Now notice there is a tenant prefix as well. Okay, tenant prefix is this. Okay. Later along the way, we might use the active user, or we might be asked to create a new user. The lab already provided us with the password for all the user. If you go to resources tab, you will see the user password. So my user password might be different from yours. Okay, this is the example how the password look like. Now you're ready to do your task 2, which is set up the Adatum's organization's profile.